Research and gather information. Start by researching different car insurance providers in California. Look for companies that offer the coverage you need at competitive rates. Gather important information such as your driver's license, weight details, make, model, year, and your driver accidents. Determine coverage needs. Understand the types of car insurance coverage available in California. The state mandates minimum liability coverage limits for bodily injury and property damage. However, you might want to consider additional coverage options like comprehensive collision, underinsurance, moderate medical payments, and more. Get contact various insurance companies or online tools to get insurance quotes based on your personal information and coverage needs. Make sure to compare the quotes and choose the one that suits your budget and requirements. Provide necessary information. Once you have selected an insurance provider, you will need to provide the necessary information to finalize your policy. This could include personal details, vehicle information, driver license number, and more. Decide on deductibles. When getting car insurance, you will need to decide on your deductibles. A deductible is the amount you agree to pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage kicks in. Higher deductibles often lead to lower premium cost. Submit required documentation. Your insurance provider will likely require you to provide certain documentation. This could include proof of identification, vehicle registration, and possibly other documents. Make sure to provide accurate and up-to-date information. Review and sign the policy. Carefully review the policy terms, coverage details, deductibles, and any other relevant information. Make sure you understand what is covered and what is not. Once you are comfortable with the policy, sign it, pay the premium. To activate your insurance coverage, you will need to pay the premium. The premium is amount you pay for the insurance policy. You can choose it, pay it in full upfront, or set up a payment plan with insurance company. Receive proof for insurance. After you paid the premium, The insurance company will provide you with a proof of insurance document. This document, often referred to as an insurance card or printer, serves as evidence of your coverage and is usually required to be carried in your vehicle. Stay informed. Keep your insurance information up to date and information your insurance provider about change that might affect or your coverage, such as address changes, additional drivers, or modification to your vehicle.